So good morning from Castaway Cay. We are out on our balcony and we have decided not to go on the island. We were just here in September, and with everything that went on with the sailing, we are gonna go, we woke up late, well, we woke up at 9 and got breakfast, and now we're gonna go enjoy the ship, and then we're gonna do the Uncharted adventure, right? Mm-hmm. So we just did the beginning part where you do it on the app and you kind of make your character, is that what it calls? Your avatar? Is that what you're doing? Yeah, so they created.
Mommy did.
I didn't do it, so but I had Ryder and Ray did it for me, and then Ray and Ryder did their own, and we're gonna go do that after in a little bit. Go do that throughout the ship, and there's a grand finale at 5:30 tonight, so we'll do that. And so we're gonna go try and ride the AquaMouse. Hopefully everybody's on the island, and hopefully we can go ride the AquaMouse with no line. And but let's take a quick look at Castaway Cay. So there's Castaway Cay. It's a gorgeous day, but it looks like a storm is coming through. So one of the parasols just came out. So it's been gorgeous. We are on starboard side, so if you ever are booking and you want a view of Castaway Cay, you want to get on the starboard side. We had the same, we were on the same side last time in July, but anyway, so come join us as we explore and enjoy the Disney Wish today. So this is the line. We got in line, and it closed it for a few minutes, but this is the line at Castaway Cay. So if you want to ride AquaMouse with no line, do it at Castaway Cay Day. So we're about to ride the AquaMouse, and it's Scuba Scramble. Ryder's very excited because this is the scene we haven't seen. We've only seen the Swiss Meltdown, but we've never seen Scuba Scramble. Are you excited?
Scuba Scramble is like the sequel to the one you did. But this one's a water one.
Oh, cool. So about to ride the AquaMouse with Scuba Scramble. So that'll be fun. Ryder, are you excited? Let me see. Let me see your excited face. That's your excited face? Okay.
It's just a short and sweet swing from here, baby. Come on. Hey, get your own plane. Why does this keep happening? We made it!
So we went around again, and it was literally a 10-minute wait. So if you really want to ride the AquaMouse a couple times, go. If you want to ride the AquaMouse a couple times, make sure to, either go late to Castaway Cay or just skip Castaway Cay altogether. That's what we're doing today. We had planned to do this the first day, but since the first day was pretty much lost, we decided to skip Castaway Cay. Here it comes!
We're gonna back the ride, then AquaMouse.
12:45, day of Castaway Cay, and that is the current line for the AquaMouse. While I wait for Ray and Ryder, there's some parasailers out there. So really a gorgeous day at Castaway Cay. I'm sure everyone's having a great time. How was it? So now we're gonna chill in the pool. Ray are in the mini pool, and we're watching up. So here's our family. We're just chilling in the mini pool. And honestly, this is a great idea. The ship is empty.
Skipping Castaway Cay.
Skipping Castaway Cay is a great way to enjoy the ship. It's really chill. We're watching the Lion King. Great afternoon.
Why not?
Why not?
We rode the AquaMouse how many times?
6 times.
6 times!
Come on, go. Come on, do it. Come on, ready?
Go. With
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Sing it and put it underwater.
So we just came back to our room for a little bit. It's raining, so it is raining on the island, and we are going to go now do the Uncharted adventure. But our room attendant is cleaning our room, so we're just kind of chilling on the balcony until he's done, letting him finish what he needs to do.
And